Hey y'all, I'm Therica and this is Crow's Closet. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're a returner, welcome back since I've missed you. On this channel, I show you guys everything I know about being a crazy busy mom and a professional and a wife and still looking absolutely fly as often as possible. So today I have a Shein haul for you all. But first, if you are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there somewhere and turn on your notification bell so you are aware of when I post. I ordered from Shein for Valentine's Day and then I threw a bunch of other things into the cart. So I think I'm going to do a part 1 and part 2 because it's not like a cohesive haul because I really have like a bunch of random stuff and then I have like a bunch of date night stuff. So in this part 1, I'm going to show you guys the date night items I purchased. My husband and I were going away and I bought a bunch of outfits. I didn't end up wearing any of them that I bought, but I did buy a couple of pieces. So I'm going to share that with y'all today. Stay tuned. Make sure I link everything that I show you guys into the description bar so you can order if you want to. I didn't know what we were doing yet when I purchased my clothes. I had no clue what my husband had planned. He usually plans our dates. He's super sweet and super romantic. But I always know that we do a really nice dinner because I am a huge foodie and my husband knows that. The first dress is this brown. So cute. This pretty brown with the gold chain detailing straps. When this came in, I don't really love the color of this gold. I feel like it's the gold that really looks cheap. I hate saying stuff like that, but it does. The dress fits like a dream. It is so pretty. This brown is amazing. I love brown on brown. It's like chocolate on chocolate for me. It's like when lighter skinned girls or white skinned girls wear nude, it's the same feeling for me with chocolate brown. So I grabbed this because I thought it was really cute. It looked super cute on the model. But when I got it in, these cups are like really cheaply made cups. There's no like underwire, so there wasn't like really much support, and the cups were too small. I grabbed this in I think a large. Yes, I grabbed it in a, give me one second, let me check my phone. I grabbed it in a large or 810 for Shein. I don't know how that's a large in real life, but whatever. On Shein, an 810 is a large. And the cups are too small for me. And I'm a 34 double D, so sometimes I can get away with like a smaller cup, but this was like really weird and wonky. My husband loved this dress. This is his favorite in the collection or in the group of things that I purchased. And it's really cute. I'm just going to have to fidget with it a lot, and I don't really like to do that. But it's still wearable. It's not like a total loss. I can still wear it out. I'll wear it out because my husband really loved it. So I grabbed this for $14.40, which is a really good price for a like freakum dress. This was really cute. I liked it. I don't love it, but I'll keep it because it's not like terrible. The next thing I grabbed is this black leather pleather plastic dress. I grabbed it in a size 810. I think everything I grabbed is in an 810 or a large in Shein. I loved the halter. This fits so stinking cute. I wish like I had this because I probably would have ended up wearing this out for dinner. I ended up wearing like a blazer dress. I'm in love with how this fit, and it's nice and long. It fits very similar to the model on the website, which is nice. It is cheap though. It is really, really, really thin, but like I don't expect too much when I order off of Shein because you really get what you pay for. I got this for $8, so I'm not expecting it to be like this really nice thick, what are they calling it now? Vegan leather. But it fits really cute. I love this dress. I love the length. It's nice and long. It hits like my calves, which I love. I'm not really into the super short dresses anymore. I just feel like I like have to walk and keep pulling it down, and I cannot stand that. I do not like fidgeting with my clothes. I love throw-on outfits because I don't want to have to keep moving and adjusting and all that. I really like this. I'm going to wear this out next time we go out together. The next thing I grabbed is this black and white dress. I figured we were staying away that we would brunch in the morning, so I grabbed this dress just in case we brunched, and it is really cute, and I loved it on the model. And then when I got it and I saw it, I was like, oh, I really like it. It's nice and long. It fits really nice. It's a thick material, so it's gonna pull me in tighter so my problem areas aren't, you know, as exposed. All these things, right? I loved it. And then I put it on and it did this. Look, can you see that? Yuck, I hate that. And that's what happens when the material is printed on and not dyed. I hate this dress because of that. I'm not going to keep this dress. I'll probably give it away. If I keep it, I probably won't keep it because it's going to look really, you'll see when it's on, like anywhere that's like bigger, like my breasts, it like the material stretches out and it does that nasty things. Over my hips, it stretches out and it just looks really cheap. It was cheap, but it looks really cheap. And I grabbed it for $10.40, and on the mannequin, or not the mannequin, I'm sorry, and on the model on the website, when it stretches over like her bigger areas, it doesn't do what it does in person. So I don't really like that. And it sucks because this dress is so cute. I really love the black and white contrast. I think it is like transcend any season, and it's just really pretty, but I can't get jiggy with that. So I'm gonna give this away. Or I never sent anything back to Shein because it didn't, like, the amount of time and effort it's gonna take me to send it back, like, it wasn't expensive enough to do that. So just not gonna keep that one. My next dress is another Bodycon dress. This was so cute. This was like cutesy cute though. I would not have worn this out to dinner. This would have been another brunch option for the morning with like a pair of sneakers. But how stinking cute is that? I love the detail across the neckline with the sunflowers. That just feels really, really, really spring to me. It is March here and it is still snowing. It is currently snowing outside. So I cannot wait until we're in like full-blown spring weather. But this dress fits really nice. It's another long one. It hits right at my calves. I really like that. I love the little kind of like ruching, not ruching, but like, I don't know what to call this, but like the detail on the neckline I think is so girly. And then it does the same on the sleeves. The only thing with this dress, it is completely see-through. So I would have to wear a pair of biker shorts under and like a tank top so you can't see my undergarments or like my brown underwear. Not cute. But other than that, super stinking cute. I love black dresses. A little black dress is another one that goes through all seasons, and I have so many of them. I just love it. I'm definitely going to wear this with sneakers because I feel like the sunflowers really make it nice and playful. Again, I grabbed this in an 810. It was $10.40. Super cute. The next thing is this dress. Oh my gosh. So when I saw it on the mannequin, why I keep calling it a mannequin? When I saw it on the girl on the website, on the model on the website, I was like, so cute. It does like this ruching thing down the middle. So it kind of like camouflages any problem areas. I love dresses like that because I do own shapewear, but I cannot stand wearing it. I don't know how y'all do it. Y'all be wearing it to work. You wear it for the whole day. I be done. I'm ready to pull that sucker off. So if I can find clothes that can help me camouflage my problem areas, then I'm all for it. And so this was a really cute one for me because the ruching down the front I thought was really cute and kind of camouflaging. And then this nice ruching down the back gives that like really nice detail down your, for lack of a better term, like your butt crack, the crease of your butt. And so it takes away that like uni butt you get with bodycon dresses, and it gives you nice shape of like 2 butt cheeks instead of 1. But when I put it on, I think I ordered it too big. I'm almost certain I ordered it too big. I probably could have did this one in a small, and I grabbed it in a large. So the top was kind of like falling really weird. And like the ties were still like, even though I had it tied as tight as I could, they still were like bigger right here. So this is another one that I'm probably not going to be able to keep. I'll probably give this one away. But it was really cute. If not for the sizing, then it would fit really well. I would love it. So I'm probably just going to order another one because I got this one for $15.20. So I'll probably just order another one because I think it's a really cute black dress that I can wear on like any date night or out with the girls. But it's too big. Well, the last thing I ordered for like my date night trip with my husband was this shirt. And I thought it was super, super, super cute on the girl on the website, and then it came and I was like, what in the world, y'all? Come on. But that's just the price. That's like the chance you take when you shop at Shein. Like some things are like a hit, like great job, y'all. Y'all killed that. And other things are a huge miss. This happens to be a huge miss. What I do like is the color gold on the straps though. Like this is the gold that looks less cheapy. So I do appreciate that. But I'm just going to not buy anything that's like corseted or like boned from them because it doesn't really come boned. It's just stitching that makes it look like that, and my breasts are too big for that. I need some support, baby. I need some support. So this is like, it's just stitched, as you can see. Like there's no real boning in this, and the cups are too small for this to be a large. The cups are small, but the shirt itself is bigger. It's just a really weird fit. It just like kind of sits over me. I'm not a fan at all. I did like the color. The color was like super cute and super sexy to me. I don't own much red because I never liked red against my skin tone. Dark skin girl insecurities. But I do now. I do really like the color red now. in clothing, but I just don't order it a lot. So I thought this would be like super cute, but it's a mess for me. And this I got for $8. And I'm gonna put a picture of the girl on the website here somewhere so you guys can see like where my mind was going when I ordered this. And then when it actually came, I was like, y'all stop it, cut it out. So you know, I do have a couple things that I don't like, so maybe I will send stuff back, because it's not like I'm just sending one $4 thing back, right? I'll probably send some things back because I'm not a huge fan of things, and I do not need to keep clothes that I'm not gonna wear. So y'all, again, this was my part 1 of my Shein haul. I'm gonna do a part 2 where I show you guys the items I grabbed that are more transitional, because again, it'll be spring here soon. I cannot wait. And I just wanted to show you guys how I grabbed pieces that I can continue to wear with blazers and chunky cardigans for now, and also take off those blazers and cardigans when it gets warmer and it's still a dope outfit. So if you want to see that, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed. Hit that subscribe button down there somewhere and turn on your notification bell so you are aware of when I post. Again, I love y'all, and I will see you later. Bye.